Where to get Assetto Corsa mods and how to install them. Assetto Corsa is a racing simulator game that allows you to customize your cars and tracks with various mods created by the community. Mods are modifications that enhance or change the original game content, such as adding new cars, tracks, skins, sounds, physics, etc. There are many websites that offer Assetto Corsa mods for free or for a fee. Some of the most popular ones are Race Department, a web of Assetto Corsa mods, as well as mods for other racing games. You can browse, download, rate, and review mods from different categories and authors. Assetto Corsa Club. A website that provides a large collection of Assetto Corsa mods, especially cars and tracks. You can also find news, guides, and videos about Assetto Corsa on this website. Assetto DB, a website that allows you to search and filter Assetto Corsa mods by various criteria, such as car type, track location, rating, etc. You can also compare different mods and see their details and screenshots. To install Assetto Corsa mods, you need to follow these steps. Download the mod files from the website of your choice. The mod files are usually in zip or RAR format. Extract the mod files to a folder on your computer. You should see a folder named Content inside the mod folder. Copy the content folder and paste it into your Assetto Corsa installation directory. The default location is c:/program files, x86, /steam apps /common /Assetto Corsa. Launch the game and enjoy your new mod. Alternatively, you can use a tool called Content Manager to install Assetto Corsa mods more easily. Content Manager is a custom launcher for Assetto Corsa that has many features and options, such as managing your mods, settings, replays, etc. To use Content Manager to install Assetto Corsa mods, you need to follow these steps. Download and install Content Manager from this link. Launch Content Manager and go to the Mods tab. Click on Install and select the mod files you downloaded. After that, click on Activate to enable the mods. Launch the game and test your newly installed mods. Learn more, how to download mods for Assetto Corsa, Steam Community. https://steamcommunity.com/shared file/file details/?id =2781867429429